FreedomCashLenders is a company that can provide you with up to $1,500 online that might be deposited into your account the same or next business day. But there are things you gotta know about this lender before even applying for a loan. Let me use this whiteboard to explain all the important details you should be aware of. First things first, a $1,500 loan most likely won't be available to newcomers. If you are a new borrower, you shouldn't expect more than $300 to $500 from the lender. To be approved for this amount of money, you'll need to prove that you are a US citizen over 18 years old and that you have a regular income of at least $1,200 per month. Loans aren't available for military members. But that's not the most important part. FreedomCashLenders provide installment loans. You can be approved even if you have a bad credit. But there is a reason why this company works with unreliable borrowers. It's because its loans are quite expensive. If you take out a loan and decide to repay it with minimum payments, then you should expect to pay a lot for fees and interest. The APR might reach up to 600 or even 780%. To avoid paying so much for the loan, you should always make sure you pay the loan back much earlier. There are no fees and penalties for earlier repayments. Also, you should be aware that FreedomCashLenders is a lending company that was authorized by the Tribal Regulatory Authority. Basically, it's a tribal lender. That's the reason it provides such expensive loans. So be careful with such financial options. It's a bad idea to borrow installment loans like that if you are not 100% sure you'll be able to pay it back on time. That was my honest review, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision. Take care.